This is the Yahtzee score pad. This is a really great item. If you have a Yahtzee game and you run out of the traditional pads that come with it, this is a really great pickup right here. You can see you got 100 sheets in here. These are perforated, so I just pulled this one out. You can see it just comes out really nice and easy, just like out of a notepad. And it is double-sided here. So you have 100 double-sided sheets, so 200 sheets total. Like it says right here, 1,200 games. And better, what's best about this is the traditional Yahtzee pad right here. You can see it's much smaller than this. I believe the new one here is 6x9. So if like you're looking for a bigger area, if you use glasses, you might not have to use glasses when you're using this because it does show a lot bigger than this. You can see right here side by side, just a lot bigger writing area, and the letters are a lot bigger too. So this is a really nice upgrade. I really like this. We have this Yahtzee Deluxe Edition that's pretty old here, so we're running low on the score pages here, so we wanted to pick this up. Just a really nice upgrade here. So again, you get a 100 sheet notebook here, and it's got double-sided, so 1,200 games. So if you have a Yahtzee game, you're looking to get a new scoring pad, you absolutely want to check this one out. I'm very pleased with it.